Hi guys, welcome to the Radioshop Pickups channel. I'm Paul Best, and in this video I'm going to show you how to convert a guitar potentiometer into a no-load pot. It's a very straightforward and useful guitar mod, and we'll go through all the steps on the way. In this video I'm using a CTS 250K pot, which is going into one of our pickguard assemblies loaded with a set of our hand-wound pickups. If you enjoy this video, remember to hit subscribe, like and ring the bell if you want to see more of our guitar mod tips and some other pretty cool, ultra geeky guitar content. So why would you want to convert a pot to a no-load? Well, once a potentiometer has been converted into a no-load and is used as a tone control, it is completely removed from the signal chain when the tone knob is on 10. This gives a brighter, clearer tone which many guitarists feel is more pure. When the pot is then dialed down below 10, it removes treble from the tone in the normal way a tone knob behaves. The other main use for a no-load pot is as a blend control between pickups. Installed in the second tone knob position on a Stratocaster, the no-load enables the neck or bridge pickup to be added to any position, thus opening up the full 7 possible Strat pickup combinations. When on 10 it is fully removed from the circuit, but when dialed down to 0, the neck or bridge pickup is added to any position it's not already involved with. For example, in position 5 on the Strat, with the neck only selected, dialing the no-load down will blend in the bridge pickup, a position which has a lovely Telecaster middle position-like chime. This mod also opens up the opportunity for all 3 pickups to be combined too. A wonderful diagram on Strat Blender mod wiring is available from our good friends at Six String Supplies here in the UK, and this is the diagram we use to get all 7 positions on our loaded pickguards. Let's have a quick look at how pots behave, and you can see here that the resistance goes from around the 250k mark to 0 as we dial down the potentiometer. We'll start the mod by first disassembling the pot, which I do by using a small flathead screwdriver to prise the prongs into the up position. Once all 4 are up, the potentiometer will come apart easily and we can store the other parts safely for reassembly later. The part that we're interested in is this wafer with 3 lugs and, importantly, the resistive track of carbon on it. Time for another little test with our trusty multimeter, and we can see how the pot behaves internally this time, with the amount of resistance changing as we move along the resistive track. To convert to a no-load pot, we're going to take a craft or hobby knife and cut a line in the resistive track on this side. We cut the line a tiny bit behind where the carbon runs out. Just working back and forth with the hobby knife carefully, we're making sure that the carbon is completely interrupted and that the material each side of the cut isn't able to reach each other. There's no need to cut too deeply, just deep enough that the carbon material is no longer present in the cut, and you can see the lighter coloured material below. As an alternative to using a hobby knife, you can use a fine, triangular or even circular file to create a slightly wider gap in the track. Taking out our multimeter, we can now run a test to see if this has all worked well. We can see that when the wiper is reinstalled later and the knob is on 10, there is a reading of 0, and the pot is effectively removed from the circuit. As the knob is turned down below 10 and the wiper passes over the cut, the full range of the pot is effectively restored, and we can see the resistance going down from full to 0. If you don't have a multimeter to check, don't worry too much. As long as you've created a gap in the resistive track and either side isn't touching, you'll be in business and good to go. We can now put the pot back together, check for smoothness of operation as we turn the shaft, and appreciate the wonder of the potentiometer as we watch the wiper move internally. All looks good. I'm not sure who invented the potentiometer, but whoever they are, I'd like to buy them a pint. Happy guitar modding, guys. I hope you find this video useful. If you did, we'd love it if you'd hit subscribe on our channel, and also if you'd consider us for your next pickup upgrade. All our pickups are handmade and hand-wound by our 2-man team here in South Wales, UK. Thanks for watching.